You know, Bartosz touched the tapes.
It can be cruel sometimes, can't it, out there? It's a tough sport, but Smarzic's going to have to sit this one out. So opportunities for the other three riders here. Škorja coming out for his first ride in difficult conditions. Here we go then. Takes up, we're away. It's level to the first corner. Dudek brilliant from the outside, roaring around the outside. What a start that is for Woffinden. Oh, Woffinden finds a bit of extra grip and fires himself to the front. Just in the nick of time, because it looked like Dudek was there. Great start from the outside, but Ty Woffinden, second place, first time out behind Dan Bewley. Fires out of gate number 3, roars to the front down the back straight on the opening lap, and they're now beginning to set sail for the checkered flag.
Yeah, Dudek third, first time out. It looks like he's made a few changes. Certainly worked off the start around the first turn, got himself in a good position. But Ty Woffinden worked so hard on the bike, got it driving, maybe a little bit too much, but it certainly helped him shut the door on Dudek on that first lap. Looks comfortably out front now.
Looking good out in front. Body language on the bike is great from Woffinden. Really got that sort of feel about it that he's really means business. Good to see. Dudek riding nicely in second place. Vasili's going to pick up a point. But the first win of the campaign in the heats, qualifying heats for the three-time former world